This is a Makita blower vac. Well, it's a blower vac body, but this particular one is just the blower. In fact, this cover here, if you undo that screw and pull it off, there's another nozzle that can be put on it, and then that turns it into the vacuum side of it, and the vacuum bag then goes on this fitting here. Like I say, this is just the blower, so I've only got the blower nozzle that goes on here. You slide that button back, which means you're then in a position to start it. Put the choke lever up, prime the fuel so you can hear it pumping through, and about 3 or 4 more pumps after that, and then pull start. Simple as that. You've got the throttle under here, rev the throttle up. When it's running, let it run for a couple of seconds, well 30 seconds maybe, then you put the choke back down, and then away you go. So you've got the trigger under there, and when you want to switch it off at the end, you just slide that forward and it turns off.